Hello and welcome. We all know that habits are the building blocks of success. But why is it so hard to build good ones and break bad ones? The answer lies in a powerful, simple framework from James Clear's book, Atomic Habits. It's a four-step formula designed to make habit change not just possible, but inevitable. The first step is to make it obvious. Your environment is the architect of your behavior. If you want to build a habit, make its cue visible. For example, place your workout clothes right next to your bed so you see them first thing in the morning. Next, make it attractive. We are more likely to repeat a behavior if we find it appealing. A great way to do this is with habit stacking. You simply pair an action you want to do with an action you need to do. For instance, after I make my morning coffee, I will meditate for 5 minutes. The third step is to make it easy. The less friction a habit has, the more likely you are to do it. The famous 2-minute rule applies here. Can you make your new habit take less than 2 minutes to start? Instead of reading a book for 30 minutes, just read 1 page. The goal is to make starting so easy that you can't say no. Finally, make it satisfying. A behavior is more likely to be repeated if the experience is enjoyable. You need to feel an immediate reward. After a workout, give yourself a small, healthy treat. This immediate satisfaction signals to your brain that the action was worth repeating. By understanding and applying these 4 simple laws, you can engineer your own habits. They may seem small, but over time, these atomic habits will compound to create remarkable results. Start with one simple change today, and watch as your life begins to transform.